Another day. Silence fills the kitchen.
Good to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Davis.
We're happy to help. Let's take a look.
Days. The measurements here show the eastern wall is about 4 inches off center. Copy that, jotting it down now. Roof supports are compromised. The level checks out, we're ready for the mark. Okay, I've got it right here. Oh, this is so exciting.
I think if we open up this wall here,
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
it will really make it feel like home again.
Okay, let's double check the steel count. Yeah, sure. Right, I think we're missing a bundle of insulation. Heading over with the new frames now. Keep it steady. Down, slowly now. Clear below, bringing it down. Watch that corner. Good work. Set it there, slowly.
Yes, yes, slowly, gently. Yeah.
That's right, bolt it down now.
Oh, I can't believe it. It's beautiful. Thank you.
It's truly our pleasure, ma'am.
Almost ready. What do you think?
It looks perfect. Thank you so much.
We made sure to get every corner.
The laser indicates it's perfectly level here.
That looks beautiful. Thank you.
Just the final finishing touches now.
The final coat looks perfect.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
We're glad you're happy.
Looks perfect. Now, let's see what the owner thinks.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Looks perfect. Carefully there.
Thank you, gentlemen. It's beautiful.
All right, lowering it down, steady now. The shower's all set.
It's more beautiful than I could have ever imagined.
Glad I could help.
Thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's looking perfect in here. Almost done.
I hope you find comfort here.
Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, it's perfect.
Just like we planned it.
Thank you.
I think the purple hydrangeas go perfectly here.
They certainly do. It's coming along beautifully.
You've all done such a magnificent job.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
Looks perfect.
It's perfect.
Just as we planned.
Perfect alignment. Look at the data.
Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am. Looks like you're all set.
It's perfect.
Just how we dreamed.
Everything looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. We're happy to help.
It's more beautiful than I could have ever imagined. Thank you. Oh, my darlings. Welcome home, Mum.
Grandma, I've missed you all so much.
Look how much room we have. It's beautiful, more than I could have imagined.
Mommy, look at our room.
Oh my. After all these years. Look at it now. It's beautiful.